Integrating multi-generational project teams. Cohort T, Team 3, July 20th, 2026. For our team assignment, we focused on how to integrate a multi-generational project team using community-centered leadership practices, with the goal of creating positive organisational change. Following several strategic acquisitions and a period of rapid hiring, our organisation now has an unprecedented mix of generations working together, from Gen Z to baby boomers. While this varied representation brings valuable perspectives, it's creating friction in project execution. Communication preferences, varying levels of comfort with technology, and contrasting views on work/life balance pose challenges to the multi-generational workers on our team. Knowledge sharing and communication are suffering. Workers across the board feel like their contributions are undervalued, and project management approaches differ in their use of technology. The 4 generations in today's workplace have different styles. We understand these as general patterns, while recognizing that individual team members are different people. Baby boomers tend to value face-to-face communication, structured hierarchies, and are comfortable with traditional project management approaches. Generation X values is results-oriented and values autonomy. They are comfortable with both face-to-face and digital communication. Millennials prefer collaborative teams, flexible approaches to project management, and seek meaning in their work. Generation Z are digital natives, value work-life balance, and are comfortable challenging the traditional workplace norms. What all generations have in common. Despite the differences in style and approach to work, I think we can agree that all team members share similar goals in the workplace. People want to feel valued and respected, with channels for clear communication. They want to be heard, not just managed, with a relationship of trust within the team. If we identify the commonalities, we can use community-centered leadership to identify and work towards shared goals. We don't need 4 different leadership styles for 4 generations. We need a common approach that allows flexibility for different styles. Before we can solve for generational integration and build a strategy around these common needs, we first need to understand our own team's working style. Because how we lead this project will shape how we model the cohesion we're trying to create. We are a team of professional women at Yale, with a variety of roles across the university. Some of us are relatively new to Yale, while others have been here for years. Within our team, we have a mix of Generation X and Millennials. As a team, it's important that we understand who we are and how we work, as well as our strengths and weaknesses. As you can see, our team leans heavily toward the C style, with 4 C style members, 2 D style members, and 1 I style member. We have no S style represented on the team. This breaks down to 57% C style, 29% D style, and 14% I style. Rather than focusing on insufficient skills, the team has taken an approach that focuses instead on collective strengths by leveraging the ability to prioritize the human element while recognizing the need for intentionality in pacing tasks to account for various learning styles in ways that continue to maintain outputs. Also, creating feedback loops that center each stakeholder's opinions is key to the success of a multi-generational team. These strategies helps create a space where every voice and style is considered, making team members feel heard, which in turn strengthens our deliverables. The feedback loop and intentional pacing provide baby boomers with the structure that they need to thrive, while offering Gen Xers the autonomy for contributions. The human element ensures the millennials understand their important contributions as impactful and helps the Gen Z population feel heard. Influencer model. The ability to get multi-generational team to reach a collective goal requires an understanding of their personal and social motivation, their personal ability, social motivation, and what environmental structures provide access and rewards. These can be achieved through the following implementations. Personal motivation. Focusing on cross-generational co-creating opportunities, where boomers have the chance to pass down their wealth of knowledge to younger generations, and millennials are tapped for their purpose-driven networking abilities, help drive personal motivation. The goal is to build a culture of value alignment mentorship across generation. Personal ability. Emphasizing Gens X and Z's personal abilities through reverse mentorship will ensure a symbiotic learning process across all generations. To achieve this, it is crucial to cater to everyone's learning approaches by incorporating various multi-generational learning modalities. Social motivation. Understanding what motivates the team and tailoring initiatives to the represented generations is critical for sustainability. Handwritten notes, for example, may go a longer way for older generations than for Gen Zs. Similarly, younger generations may better appreciate digital shout-outs than boomers. Also, identifying culture champions across groups ensures representation. Structural environment. Catering to the structures that allow each group to thrive in the workplace is crucial to success. Building a purposeful structural rewards channel, for example, ultimately supports each group's ability to succeed in the workplace. The key takeaway for our team is that DISC can serve as a catalyst, a foundation, and a bridge to understanding diverse behaviours on a mutually generational team. Enhancing communication through a shared language across various types of people. Helping to navigate conflict resolution through empathy and de-escalation tactics. Understanding team dynamic for efficiency. Practicing effective leadership through coaching and feedback. And implementing smarter hiring processes by aligning behaviours to roles. Success can be measured by tracking team engagement, collaboration, retention, and overall well-being. These metrics can help indicate the team's receptibility towards implemented changes across multi-generation. Thank you for listening to our multi-generational project. Cohort T, Team 3.
Wonder Woman, Wonder Woman. All the world is waiting for you.